Welcome to our tutorial on adding GIFs to Google Slides. GIFs can make your presentations more engaging and memorable. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. 1. Using the website, computer, open your Google Slides presentation in any web browser. Click Insert in the top menu, choose Image Upload from Computer, select the GIF file you'd like to embed and click Open. Adjust the position and size of the GIF on your slide. 2. Using a GIF URL, find a GIF online, e.g., from Giphy or Tenor. Right-click on the GIF and choose Copy Image Address, or similar. Go back to your Google Slides presentation, click Insert Image by URL, paste the copied URL and click Select. Resize and position the GIF as needed. 3. Customizing GIF playback, click on the inserted GIF. Use the Format Options panel to adjust settings, set autoplay or manual play, adjust transparency, brightness, and contrast, add a drop shadow if desired. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.